Open Broadcaster Software (OBS) is a free and open-source software for live streaming and video recording. It is widely used by both amateur and professional streamers for its powerful features and ease of use. OBS allows users to capture video and audio from a variety of sources, such as cameras, microphones, and desktop screens, and then stream or record the output. One of the main reasons to use OBS for live streaming is its flexibility. OBS allows users to create custom scenes, which can include a combination of video and audio sources. For example, a user can create a scene that includes their webcam, game footage, and a microphone audio source. This allows for a high degree of customization and control over the final output. Another advantage of OBS is its ability to handle multiple sources simultaneously. Users can add multiple cameras, microphones, and other sources to their scenes and switch between them live during the stream. This allows for more dynamic and engaging content and can make the stream more professional looking. OBS also offers a wide range of advanced features for experienced streamers. For example, it allows users to add overlays, such as a logo or a webcam window, to their streams. Additionally, OBS has a built-in support for chroma keying, which allows users to remove the background from their webcam video and replace it with a custom image or video. This can be especially useful for streamers who want to create a more professional look and feel for their streams. Another key advantage of OBS is its ability to stream to multiple platforms simultaneously. Users can stream their content to platforms such as YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook Live at the same time, which allows for a larger audience reach. This is especially useful for streamers who want to grow their audience and reach a larger audience. Another important aspect of OBS is its ability to handle different types of video codecs, giving the user the freedom to choose the best codec for their needs. This is particularly useful for streamers that have a lower-end computer or limited internet bandwidth, as it allows them to choose a codec that will use less resources and still provide a good quality stream. OBS is also highly customizable, allowing users to create custom hotkeys, adjust settings, and create their own macros. This allows users to streamline their workflow and make the streaming process more efficient. Another benefit of OBS is that it's open-source software, which means that it is constantly being updated and improved by a community of developers. This ensures that the software stays up to date with new features and bug fixes and provides a high level of stability and performance. In conclusion, OBS is a powerful and flexible software that is widely used by both amateur and professional streamers. Its ability to handle multiple sources simultaneously, advanced features such as overlays and chroma keying, and support for multiple streaming platforms make it a powerful tool for creating dynamic and engaging content. Its ability to handle different types of video codecs, customizable hotkeys and macros, and being open source ensure that it offers a high level of performance and stability for live streaming. With OBS, streamers have the freedom to create and share the content they want, the way they want.